Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys the best jailbreak tweaks for the 4th week of July 2018. The first tweak for this video is called Artsy, and it allows you to customize and colorize the music players on your device. So you enable the tweak right here, then you have the lock screen now playing, you have the lock screen background, control center, music app, and Spotify as well. So if we go here, we have a few options, so you can enable it right there. You have the color style, different color style, disable blurred background, and also use album art as the background, which means that it will set the album art of the current playing song as the background of your wallpaper of your lock screen. So you can see right here, if I go ahead and just play a song here on my music app, if I go to the lock screen, you can see it will add the album art as the background of my lock screen, as well as the album art will be right here on the music player. Home switcher. This is a pretty cool tweak. It will add your app switcher right there on the home screen of your device. So you will have all the apps that you have on the app switcher right there on this switcher that will be right here on the home screen. So you want to open an app, you can just swipe it down, or you want to close one, you can just swipe it up like that. It's pretty awesome. If you tap here on the left side and hold, then you can go ahead and drag it and place it anywhere you want. So you want to open an app, again, just swipe it down and it's pretty awesome. It will open just like that. So here you have a bunch of settings to configure. I'm not going to go through all of them. Just go ahead and read here the instructions first, and you will learn how to use this pretty cool tweak called home switcher, again the app switcher right there on the home screen of your device. DockinSwitcher is simple, but it's pretty awesome. It will add the dock on the app switcher. So you go to the app switcher, you will still have the dock right there. So it's pretty awesome. You want to open an app right here from the dock, you can do that using this tweak. So under the settings, you have an enable button to enable or disable the tweak. To have this tweak enabled on your device, it will also install floaty dock, which is another tweak that customizes your dock. So you will need to have that in order for this tweak to work. LatchKey is a tweak for the lock screen of your iPhone 10. You know that lock that you get on the lock screen of your iPhone 10 when you lock it using your Face ID. Well, using this tweak, you can customize that. You enable the tweak right here, you go to position, and here you can change its position. You can also completely hide it if you want to. Then also you have different themes. You can choose any of these themes, or you can set a custom color. So you enable it right here, and of course go ahead and pick a color. You can see right here, if I go to the lock screen of my device, you can see right there the lock on the corner, and it has a green color. It looks absolutely awesome. Duo. This is a tweak for the control center. It allows you to have 2 pages on the control center of your iOS 11 device. It's pretty awesome. So you can have more like toggles and quick launches, all that. You can add all the ones you want, and you can still have a second page and have all of them right here. It's pretty awesome. So you go to the settings of this tweak, you enable it right here, then you have customized modules, and here you can add all of these that you want to add to the second page. You just go ahead and enable them by clicking that plus button right there, and then respring your device. TextEmojis. This tweak allows you to create shortcuts to enter emojis. It's very easy to use. Just go to the settings, go to custom shortcodes. What you need to do here is just tap the plus sign, and here just click on the emoji. You can pick any emoji that you want, and then you have the shortcode right here. So let's just tap an S right there and click save. So when you go anywhere that you want to enter a text, all you have to do is just tap here, enter these 2 dots, and then just enter the S right here, and you can see if I enter the dots once more, it will enter that emoji. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the tweaks. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.